You can also round trip your photos into other plugins and applications. I tend to use On1 Photo quite a bit, so I'll use that as the example. If you go up to Photo, Edit In, you'll see those plugins that you've added into Lightroom. But you want to check with the specific plugin manufacturer to find out the best way to open up and edit your photos into their application. For On1, this is not the best way to do it. Instead, I go to File, Plugin Extras, and now I have even more options. For this example, I'll just bring it into Effects. I'll apply a quick preset and click Apply. So after editing in On1, my photo automatically appeared alongside the original. But let's say I was working from inside of a collection. I'll choose this image and go to File, Plugin Extras, On1 Effects 10. I'll add a preset and click Apply. In this case, my photo showed up in the same collection. It's not right next to it, but I can find it. But let's say the photo did not appear inside of the collection. When that happens, go to the original, right-click, and select Go to Folder in Library. Once you do that, you should be able to find that newly edited file alongside and stacked with your original file. If you don't see it right away, just give it a few seconds, and sometimes they take a little bit to just pop up and appear inside of Lightroom.